The power of the mastermind. Masterminding is the most powerful success principle there is. By incorporating this masterminding principle into your life, you are able to achieve your goals much faster and to grow much faster as well. The first person to talk about the mastermind principle was Napoleon Hill in his book Think and Grow Rich. And then all the motivation and success teachers talk about this principle of masterminding. And in his book, Napoleon Hill talks about how when you join a mastermind group, that he says that it can be formed with 2 or more people, that you borrow the influence, education, and capital of the other members. And he also says in one of his videos that Bible students even talk about how the Lord Jesus Christ and his disciples had a mastermind group. That's what some Bible students say. And that's what Napoleon Hill said in one of his videos. Also, some other things that Napoleon Hill says are that when you form a mastermind group, it can give you protection against failure, and that all successful people that he had studied had applied the mastermind principle. For example, all the people who signed the Declaration of Independence were in a mastermind group, and they knew that they could either achieve freedom or be hanged. He also talks about how Henry Ford first formed a mastermind group with his wife, and that she always encouraged him to keep on going and taking action when all the other people were telling him that he was wrong and they were trying to put him down. Henry Ford also later on formed a mastermind group with people like Thomas Edison and Harvey Firestone, so super achievers. Another person that I like how he explained the mastermind group is Jack Canfield in his book The Success Principles. He says that when it comes to getting results or solving a problem, that we all know that 2 heads are better than 1. And he recommends that a mastermind group should be of 5 to 6 people, so that everyone has time to ask questions and everyone can provide value to them. Also, a mastermind group can be held once per week or once per month or even twice per week. And usually in mastermind groups, people brainstorm, network, encourage each other, motivate each other, and also ask questions. And all super successful people have employed the principle of masterminding. I want to tell you about my experience with masterminding. It's something that it changed my life. I joined my first mastermind group when I was learning about publishing Kindle books. So I got a program about publishing Kindle books, and there was a private mastermind group that you could pay some money per month to join it, and everyone in that group was publishing books, so they would ask questions and contribute to each other. So I joined that group. I was really motivated, and I was trying to contribute as much as possible and also make questions. And at one point somebody invited me into a mastermind group, And I of course I said yes, because I had already learned about the principles of the mastermind group. I had it in my goals to join a mastermind group, to find one, but I didn't know how. And so maybe that I attracted that person to invite me into that mastermind group for having it in my goals written down. So that's kind of like the law of attraction. I have another video where I talk about the law of attraction, how it works, how you can take advantage of it. And I'm going to leave the link in the description. So this person invited me into the mastermind, his mastermind group. And in that group, the members were already, my goal was to earn $1,000 per month. And the people in this mastermind group were already earning about $3,000 per month, and some people even $5,000 per month. So they made me raise my standards, and I set a new goal to be earning $3,000 per month by December. It was about 4 months into the future. And in January, I checked my royalties for my publishing business, and I had made more than $3,000 for December. So I did achieve that goal, and it was mostly thanks to that mastermind group, because they helped me see what was possible. I changed my beliefs, and also we shared a lot of things that were working, helping us grow our business. Also, 2 members in that group really changed my life financially with things that they shared with me, and I did really good thanks to having been part of that mastermind group. To form a mastermind group, you can do it yourself. You can just find somebody who has similar goals or has similar interests to you, like having goals, growing, perhaps about business, if that's what you are doing, or about being healthy. So find people who have the same interests as you and ask them, just invite them if they want to be part of a mastermind group where you meet once a week or once per month or once every 2 weeks. And it can be only one person, so the 2 of you will keep accountable to each other, share your goals, encourage and motivate each other, and then maybe you can invite other people. And you can find other people from communities, maybe in like Facebook groups or by joining online programs. They usually have a community of people who join that program, so you know that they have similar interests and goals to you. And so you can find some of those in Facebook groups or programs, or maybe in your local church you can find somebody and invite them into your group. Also, there are some paid mastermind groups. I have joined some of them. I joined one by Frank Kern. I was there for about 1 year. Frank Kern teaches about online business and marketing. And also I joined one from John Assaraf about similar things to the law of attraction and beliefs. That was for earning money, I think, changing my beliefs. Also, I joined another mastermind group that I paid $25,000 for 1 year, and I learned a lot of good stuff. I didn't take full advantage of that one because I needed to travel to the US to the meetings, and I don't have a visa. So it included free entrances to the events, and I couldn't take advantage of those benefits, but I did learn a lot, especially to not join a mastermind group if I'm not able to get to the meetings because of not having a visa. But yeah, at mastermind groups, you can make your own, and also there are paid ones. And on paid ones, you know that people are committed because they paid to be in there, and you paid to be in there. So some of the paid ones are big with lots of people, and you should join one where it's only around 5 people, so that you can really contribute and help each other. Because if it's big, like 8 or maybe more, or 7, even 7, then it's hard for everyone to ask questions and to help that person. So you can create your own, and you should. They really help. And also there are the paid ones, but they really make a big impact. Also, I want to share that well, that's all I'm going to say about masterminding. It's a really powerful principle. I recommend you join one. Oh yeah, I remembered now what I wanted to say is that the ideal is to invite people who are higher than you are. For example, to invite people who have already achieved what you want to achieve, so that they can help you get there faster. And Jack Canfield said that people that are higher than you probably won't join your group, but you'll never know until you ask them. And some people will say yes. So yeah, I really recommend you form your own mastermind, or you look for one and join it. And all the great teachers talk about this principle of masterminding. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Share it with somebody who can benefit from it. If you didn't like it, that's okay. You can hit the thumbs down button. It's okay. And thank you for listening. I will see you in the next video.